Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary, y'all. This is my official BOPUS order from SAS online when they had it online Friday night. So this is the order I ended up picking up in store. Very first order I placed of SAS. So I'm super excited to show you guys this. Yes, I do have quite a tan still kicking from Mexico. Ole! So I'm upkeeping that tan though because I'm in the pool almost every damn day. So yeah. Dang, I didn't realize how dark I still was till I'm looking at the camera right now. It's the first time I've worn a shirt kind of like this since I've been back, and I'm like, well, damn, she got some sun. So, but let me show you this order, you guys. It's this SAS order. So let me just pull everything out and I will be right back. Okay. I'm going to start off with the candles that I got. There were 3 of those $10.95 candles. And this entire order, y'all, I did use a 20% off coupon online. So I don't remember what the exact total was. I think it was like close to $100. But I also had some other stuff that I couldn't pick up in store, so they're shipping it to me. So be on the lookout for that. But yes, I did get 3 candles. The first one I got was Marshmallow Fireside and Black Cherry Merlot. Scent notes, those blended candles, y'all. Scent notes are toasted marshmallow, crystallized amber, wild black cherries, and velvety red wine. This is such a unique smelling candle to me. It's like smoky cherries. I love this. I'm really hoping this performs well. Fingers crossed, because I am digging this one, baby. Next one, these are all blended candles, by the way. Next one I got was the White Gardenia and Tiki Beach. Scent notes are classic white gardenia, fresh picked greenery, warm vanilla musk, and toasted coconut. I absolutely love this candle. I am kicking myself. I'm kind of wishing I would have picked up another one because I have a feeling this is going to be a heavy hitter, and it smells divine. Like, it smells amazing. So I'm probably going to get at least one more of these. I also did get the Island Margarita and Vanilla Bean because it just sounded so intriguing to me. Now, mind you, these were blind buy candles, y'all. I had not smelled these candles yet. Scent notes on this was Island Mango, Madagascar Vanilla Bean, and Sea Salt. I like this. Like, I like it. It's different. It's kind of like how that balsam and that pineapple one, it's different, and that's why I like it, because it's not the same old crap they're always pumping out. But I like it. It's not too vanilla heavy. It's more margarita heavy than vanilla, but you get the vanilla in there. Yeah, I like. I also did get not 1, but 2 of the Gingham mini perfumes, because I do like Gingham, the original, and the actual perfume, more so than the actual body spray for some reason. To me, I think maybe just goes better with my body chemistry. But I love it. I wanted to get more than 2, but I said no. And I'm kind of glad that I only did get 2, because did you see how many freaking perfumes I found for 75% off? If you haven't seen that video, go back and look. It's the one I posted the day of SAS, June 3rd. Yo. Yeah. So I got 2 of those. I did get some soaps. I ended up getting Kitchen Lemon and Honolulu Sun. It's Zesty Lemon, Island Coconut, and Driftwood. I like this one a lot. The lemon mixes with that coconut so freaking well, and I love it. I love it. I'm really digging these blends that they're coming out with. Now, if only they would do that for body care. Right. I'm down for that. Next up, we have White Tea and Sage and Pineapple Mango. It is pineapple juice, sweet mango, and fresh tea. This one, it's definitely more pineapple and mango. I'm not getting so much tea in this. You know what it is there a little bit, but it's more sage than tea. And it's different. It's unique. I have not smelled anything quite like this. So again, that's why I like it. Next up, I did get champagne toast and iced cinnamon rolls. Y'all, can they make a body care like this? Like, for real, listen to this. Bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and warm cinnamon rolls. Now, I know that doesn't sound like a combination that would normally go together well. Y'all. Yo, if they made this into a body care, I would absolutely buy it because you get the citrusy zest of champagne toast, but then you also get that warm cinnamon note, and it's gorgeous. It like, yo. Please give us this in body care. Give us blends in body care. I would freaking love that. Yeah. I did get 2 shower gels, y'all. I ended up getting whipped coconut milkshake in the shower gel. Scent notes are vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. In the shower gel, it kind of smells a little bit like toasted s'mores to me. It kind of smells actually kind of a little bit weak in the shower gel. We'll see. I'm gonna try it out. But I do like it. It just smells like it's going to be kind of weak, which I don't know about that. I also did get Fruity Sherbet Scoop in the shower gel. Scent notes are rainbow sherbet, zesty orange, and sun-kissed strawberry. I like this. It reminds me of Sweet Tarts. And I'm digging it. Like, people said it smelled sour. I don't think it smells sour or tart. I just think it smells like Sweet Tarts. I like. I did get 5 body sprays, y'all. Yeah, I did. I ended up getting the Fruity Sherbet Scoop in the body spray. And I like this a lot, yo. I think out of those new ones for that line, it's my favorite. I like it a lot. Like, it's very sugary, sweet. It smells like Sweet Tarts. Yeah, I'm digging it, yo. Digging it. Yeah, and the packaging is freaking adorable. It is kind of little kidsy cute-ish, but I do like it. It's cute. I also got Disco Daydream. Scent notes are Cali Days, Wild Vanilla, and Radiant Coconut. This, I swear I know this smell. I think this might be a repackage of Cozy Evening. I'm going to have to pull out Cozy Evening and sniff because this smells very like, and it doesn't say like it has amber or anything in it, but it gives like a very warm nighttime vibe. I like it, but I swear to God, I know this scent. Yeah, it's very warm, nightsy. I'd almost even go so far as to say there might be lavender in this because even though it doesn't list it, it does smell a lot like that to me. Yeah. Yo, I keep smelling that Fruity Sherbet Scoop. Yo. All right, I also did get the whipped coconut milkshake in the body spray. This does smell a lot like that caramel one we had with last fall that was the mini and it had like the little raccoon on it. I don't think it's 100% that, and I say that because there's something different about this that has like it has a deepness to it that one did not have. Unless I'm just crazy, but I swear to God, I don't think this is 100% that. I don't. It smells very similar. Yes, it does smell very similar, but there's also notes of like cinnamon. It doesn't list cinnamon. It says vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. This smells like it would actually pair very, very well with Angel Share, the perfume. How it has that like cinnamony note, and I detect cinnamon in this. I'm sorry, but I do. It's caramel, it's vanilla, but like cinnamon. And I do like it. I don't really get coconut in this. Do you guys pick up coconut? Did anybody who got this, do you get coconut? I don't get coconut. I don't get coconut. And then the last 2 sprays I got, you guys, I did get white tea and ginger. This one. Oh my God. Scent notes are white tea leaves, sparkling yuzu, fresh bergamot, geranium petals, and a hint of ginger. You definitely get the geranium in this for sure. I also get white tea and that bergamot. But you do get that hint of ginger, and it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. I absolutely love this. I'm going to have to get the lotion in this because I did not pick up the lotion, but I'm going to need to get it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to get the body lotion in this because holy crap, I forgot how good this is. It's so perfect for summer. It's just like light and breezy for the day, and it has a warmth depth to it. I love it. And then the very last spray that I got. I so badly want to call this Plumera, but someone out there was very kind enough to tell me I'm pronouncing it wrong, and it's Plumeria. Don't come for me because I got a little bit of hillbilly in me on my mama's side, and I've always known it as Plumera. So Plumera it will be for me, okay? But for those of you out there who want to have the correct pronunciation, it is Plumeria. I had to get this. I remember this from back in the day, and I loved it from Bath & Body Works. Scent notes are pink Plumeria, peach nectar, red apple, night blooming jasmine, and gardenia petals. Bro, I am so gonna have to get the body lotion to this too. I don't know why I didn't get it. I'm kicking myself. I'm going to have to get the body lotion to both of these because holy shnikes. Yo, I legit forgot how good this is. It is freaking delicious. Everything that I remember it. And it's been so long since I've smelled it. I am in love. I wish they would make a perfume that smells exactly like this. The actual perfume. Like I'm instantly transported to a beach in Hawaii somewhere. Like instantly. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my God, you guys. I might have to get the whole set, especially in this one. And I might have to get it back up. Yeah, I'm going to have to. I'm just going to have to. I'm going to have to. Because God only knows when we will see this again. I do love the white tea and ginger. But if you have to get one, let me tell you something. Juniper Breeze is banging too. I have the original of that and she banging. She banging. I love her. But so good. So good. All right, you guys. Yeah. All right, you guys. Yeah, that is everything I got from my first online SAS order this summer 2023 SAS event. I really hope you enjoyed this video. What did you guys order online that first night? What did you end up getting? If you haven't told me already, please leave me a comment down below because I love talking to you guys. I love interacting with y'all. I love building relationships with you guys. I just love it. You guys are almost kind of like family now. So yeah. But all right, you guys know the drill though. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you have not subscribed already, what are you doing? What are you doing? You keep coming back, but you don't want to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to commit. Commitment follow visit. Yeah. I see you. All right, you guys. Yeah, and don't forget to ding the bell so you're alerted every time I upload, y'all. I got crazy stuff coming down the pipeline. You are not going to want to miss it. All right, you guys, that's all I have for today. And I will catch you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.